Lagos, the state government has urged residents to pre-register for the COVID-19 vaccination. The government is also encouraging them to have the vaccination number and visit any of the 88 designated centers for their vaccines. This was made known during the Ministry of Health inspection of COVID-19 vaccination centers earlier today. Adedoja Salam Adeni was there.
This is an unscheduled visit to vaccination centers in Lagos. Commissioner for Health and his information counterpart. Their first port of call was the police hospital at Falomo. There are allegations that thugs are collecting money at the entrance of this designated vaccine center before people get vaccinated, especially foreigners.
No sharp practices here going on. Expatriate frontline workers who are residing in Ikoyi and Falomo area would prefer that they come to our center for vaccination.
People are meant to visit the federal government's portal and pre-register, have their vaccination ID, date and time. But these people waiting in line here told me how difficult that can be.
I registered online, but they didn't call me, so I have to come to them.
So when we got here, they gave a tag. I think it's just moving really slow. I don't know.
Finally, they said they ran out of cards.
This is where the registration is going on, both online and manual registration. I heard two different stories from the officials.
Since the day of the vaccination, I'm using my phone and it's okay.
There are some days we have network challenges, like when we just started.
And do you have any other portal aside from the federal government's portal?
No.
If you cannot register, pre-register, but you want to go to a center that is close to you, one of our 88 centers, you can come there and you get registered on site. But we have been assured that that portal is now up and running and is getting much better. And what we're going to say to the public is try and pre-register and get a date.
Next visit is at the Infectious Disease Hospital, Yaba, one of the vaccine centers in the state. There are two vaccination points here, Emergency Operations Center and the COVID ward.
It was seamless. We got registered and we came on the date.
COVID was the ward I visited in January, where more than 80% of COVID-19 patients were critically ill. Many survived here. Others died. Now emptied of patients and turned to vaccination center, a sign that COVID-19 second wave is flattened. But there are still few patients at the ICU in critical condition. So far, more than 88,000 people have been vaccinated in Lagos State. The COVID-19 vaccination program is a 2-year plan of vaccinating more than 100 million Nigerians. Adedoja Salam Adeni, TVC News, Lagos.